Greetings! We're moving along in our Quick Start series to get you rolling with workflow. Workflow is how you manage your activities. Once we go over one example, you'll know how to manage any workflow in Axosoft. Let's start by continuing with our Pure Chat example. In this example, Pure Chat customers email or support questions to support@purechat.com, which Axosoft converts into a ticket. As the support representative, I can select an item and change the workflow step to in progress from this drop-down menu. After talking with the customer further, my investigation determines that this item is actually a bug and needs to go to the development team. So let's return to that drop-down menu and change the workflow step to closed defect. The item shoots over to the defect backlog for the development team to review and manage through their own workflow. The support rep can then continue on to the next task, and the developer can begin working on this defect. So changing workflow step can happen from the workflow drop-down menu, dragging and dropping an item into the next workflow step in card view, or you can edit an item and change the workflow step field. Now, if you're the administrator, you're probably asking, how do I configure what you just showed me? Well, start by going to Tools, Other Settings, Workflows, then select the Starter Workflow for tickets. Once you click on Starter Workflow, the steps appear to the right. Go ahead and drag and drop the steps into your desired order. You can also add, delete, or edit any one of these workflow steps. Let's examine the closed defect step. The first thing you'll see are the step actions, which automatically update the selected fields as soon as an item changes to this workflow step. In this example, the status is automatically getting changed to closed, and the completion date is being set to today. Now, something else is also happening. Under the Other Settings tab, we have enabled a setting that copies this item over to the defect backlog. So the item you saw in the development workflow is actually a copy of the original incident. Think of the ticket as the original record, while the duplicate continues into the next phase of work. Back in the Other Settings tab, we have settings to automatically advance or block parent and child items, along with other useful settings such as prompting the user with a work log. The Allow Next Steps tab sets who can move items into the next workflow step. The Notifications tab is where you can alert recipients that an item has just moved into this workflow step. And the WIP Limit tab, WIP standing for Work in Process, is where you can limit the number of items in any given step, either by number of items or by user. For more extensive information on workflow, visit our documentation page either here or in the link down in the description. Also, if you found this video useful, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel for similar content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.